Hey everyone, what's up? It's just some random girl, and today I'm going to show you how to make adorable accent pillows using placemats from the Dollar Tree. Let's get started. So first of all, what you're going to want to do is head to your local Dollar Tree or any other shop that is similar and get some of these placemats. They are seasonal. The ones that mine had currently are these cute little ones with just the pumpkins and the leaves on them. And this is the kind that is actually has fabric on the opposite side as well. So that's going to make it much easier. And then you're going to want to take the tags off, cutting as close as you can without actually cutting into the fabric part. So then you just take your little seam ripper, I got mine at Walmart, and you just go in and you rip the seams in one area, not the entire end of it, just enough to be able to reach your hand in between and get stuffing inside. So for mine, it needs to be about this wide to be able just to get my hand inside. And yeah, just clean up any little fuzzies that may be there. If there are any loose threads, it's fine. Just trim them up, don't pull on them because that will rip the threads out of the design and we don't want that. I want to keep that nice pretty design as much as possible. Okay, so now that it has a nice opening, what you're going to want to do is just take some polyfill. You can also, if you don't happen to have any polyfill laying around, you can just buy a cheap pillow from Walmart and then rip it open and use the stuffing out of it. And just put the stuffing inside. Make sure that you get it nice and in all the corners. Get a nice, fully fluffed, plump pillow. Okay, so now that it is stuffed and you can hold it closed, this is the part where you actually seal that hole back up. Now, if you don't know how to sew, it's fine. It is possible to do this using hot glue. I personally prefer to just sew it closed. And it is super easy to do that. You just take your needle and some thread, you make sure that you tie a knot at the end of the thread. And it's just a basic stitch. And the closer together that your stitches are, the stronger the bond will be. So there you go. Now you have a wonderful fall themed, either with pumpkins on the front or just plain orange on the back, cute, adorable accent pillow that will look absolutely great on your couch or your bed and goes really well with the fall theme. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below letting me know if you tried making something like this. And I'll see you next time.